Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a video reveal on CapCut. So for this edit, you need to prepare a background like this, a photo or video as the background, and then add the video that you want to reveal as an overlay. So click overlay and choose the video that you want to add. Okay, so in this case I'm using this video, and what you need to do next is adjust the size and remove its background. So go to cutout and click on remove background. So the background has been removed, and you can just adjust the position on where you want to you want the reveal to happen. Okay, for instance in there, and then go back and you can just go to mask and choose the split, and in here go to the top, click on a check icon, add a keyframe at the beginning, and then go to the end and add another keyframe. Here add another keyframe and then click on mask again and drag the masking to the bottom like this. Click on a check icon and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can create a video reveal on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.